Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Baldwin number 5202.099.00009. This is a that's longer than a social security number. That's a long part number for this replacement tip. I do wish I understood their logic of their naming convention. There obviously is some logic to that. I just don't understand it. So the bottom line is, if you need a replacement tip for that elegant gooseneck style doorstop from Baldwin, this would be the 5202 and the rest of the part number. And this video is really just to give you a dimensional review of this item. Rubber tips will fatigue, enough use on that, and they will flatten. They will deteriorate as well. They do seem to dry out, whatever the proper scientific process is for that, but they do fatigue, they age. I would imagine it's a response to exposure to ultraviolet, would be my guess. Just sunlight is probably what would serve to help fatigue these. Some dimensional properties. It appears to be round, and I would say a diameter of the stem or the shaft is 0.693, and it does appear to be the case all the way around it. 0.693 right in here. You see that you've got that groove that's going to fit into the feature in that 4510, and it will just pressure fit. The thickness of the base of the item, about 0.888. 0.888 here. And then I would say an overall thickness would be nice to know. And I would put that right at about 0.919. 0.919 overall. Okay. One more dimension. The length of the portion that will go into the body of the unit itself, into the stop. 0.469. 0.469 will be just this area. Okay. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Baldwin products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, as well as other catalogs of their derivative product lines that are there as well. There's a master template book that's there. That's handy. It's not organized in any way other than how Baldwin just lists it on their website. We've consolidated that. But with enough determination, and if they publish the template, it will certainly be there. Could be very handy if you're looking for a hole size to drill for an estate's lever, things of that nature. Any questions on the 5202.099.00009 replacement bumper for the 4510 series gooseneck? And if you have a 4510, obviously you can understand, use your imagination, why it's called a gooseneck style stop. It's a term that's understood in the industry. It's a gooseneck style. They make different, not necessarily Baldwin, but they exist in different heights, smaller ones, taller ones as well. Any questions on this or any other Baldwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.